Hello everyone. Today I have come again to teach you a new lesson. This is lesson 1 of poetry, class 10th, Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. Okay students, let's start the poem. The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So students, here, the poet is saying that suddenly a crow comes from nowhere and sits on the hemlock tree. And do you know that hemlock is a poisonous tree? And students, as the crow sits on that hemlock tree, the dust of the snow that was already collected on the tree falls down on the poet who is standing under that hemlock tree. Okay students, I hope you have got it. Poet is saying that a crow suddenly comes and sits on that hemlock tree, and that time the poet is standing under that tree. So as crow comes and sits on that tree, the dust of snow falls on the poet. Okay, next passage. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So students, here in this passage, the poet is saying that as soon as the dust of snow falls on the poet who is standing under the tree, his heart gets a change. His mind gets cheerful, and poets also realizes that some part of a day, it means some hours of a day, have been saved, because before that he was completely lost in his thoughts. So students, we can say that this snow falling created by the crow brings a change in the heart and the mood of the poet. So students, in this way the poem has been completed. And students, one more thing I would like to share with you today, that is poetic devices. You know students, in exam one question is given to ask to confirm which is the poetic device has been given in the extract of the poem. So students, I discuss the poetic device first. You can see the next second passage of this poem, has given my heart. So students, we can see has, the first letter of this word is H, and in this series the first letter of heart is also H. So students, we can say H letter, consonant letter H is getting repeated in one line of this passage more than one time. So students, if a letter, consonant letter, gets repeated more than one time in a single line, then we can say we can call this device alliteration. So students, which poetic device has been used in this line of this second extract? Alliteration. Okay students, you can see in the third line, saved, it means S, and some, it means S. So saved, S, the first letter of saved, and the first letter of some, so it means S. S letter is a consonant letter, and it is getting repeated again and again in this line. So here the poetic device is alliteration. Okay students, and here one more device has been used, that is symbolism. Symbolism means the use of symbols. Students, the use of symbols to signify ideas and qualities by giving them symbolic meanings. We can see a crow, it means crow, has been given symbolically here. The dust of snow, this phrase has also been used symbolically, and hemlock tree. So these three words have been used here by the poet symbolically, and the literal means of these words are even different from their symbolic meaning. We can say these all three are associated with sorrow. somewhere you can see a crow is considered inauspicious. It means it is a sign of bad fortune. And hemlock tree is considered a poisonous tree. And dust of snow is also related to the sorrow, negative impact. But somewhere you can see the students, after using these three symbolic words, which all are having the negative sense in them, the poet has used them positively. Because after the arrival of the crow, the dust of snow occurs, and by the dust of snow, the poet who was lost in his own thoughts from a long time, somewhere he recovered himself. So somewhere in this way he saved some part of the day. Okay students, I think you have understood this video, and I hope you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that you will again receive my the link of my videos, and I hope you will share this video with others also. Thank you students.